which is keywords. So let's go right there. You have this, you have meta name attribute, which is going to be keyword content. Now, meta name keyword. The thing is this, keywords, sorry, I didn't type it with keywords. The thing is that what do you want, what are the keywords you want people to search for in your site? So when I go on Google or any search engine, I'm going to type in keywords. Is that not correct? Yeah, I'm going to type in keywords. So if I type in a keyword called watch movies, Netflix is going to bust up. If I type any keyword called movies online, Netflix is going to come up. If I type watch TV, Netflix is going to come up in my search. If I type TV online, Netflix is going to come up in my search. If I type TV shows online, Netflix is going to come up. Can you see how keywords operate? If I type stream movies, Netflix is going to come up in my search. If I type instant streaming, Netflix is going to come up in my search. If I type watch online, if I type just movies, Netflix is going to come up on my search engine. If I type watch movies Nigeria, the same thing. Watch TVs online, the same thing. If I type full length movies, the same thing. If I type no download, it's going to come out. So now what is going to happen is that whenever you're using a meta name for keywords, you must ensure that you type the keywords that your website is going to be known for. That if anybody goes on your online and types, let's say for instance, yours is a school. If you're building a website for a school, just type in school, comma, teacher, comma. Do you understand? Type in keywords that relate to schools. So when anybody types in search, and also put in the name of your site. Let's say for instance, let's say the name of my site is Netflix. I have to put Netflix there too as my keyword. Let's say the name of my site too is Netflix. I have to put Netflix there too. Okay, so let's say the name of my site is TikTok. I have to put TikTok here also. It's better that way. It's better to put TikTok as part of your keyword. So when somebody types in TikTok, it's going to come up. Okay, so that is how, but you must separate them all by commas. You must separate them all by commas. That is how it works. Now, next one, meta name. Another meta name, we've talked about description. That's how you want to describe your site. Keywords, how you want people to search for in your site. How you want people to search. The keyword people are going to type in the search engine, how it's going to come up. It's going to bring up your own website. Now, also, there's another one called, where is that? I want to find that now. There's one called author. I think it's not here. Let me go to the one of Amazon. Okay, Amazon, okay, doesn't have it. Let me go to the one of Yahoo, the view part of Yahoo. Okay, meta name description. Can you see the description again? Take a trip into, so description is about how you describe your website. What's your website all about? What's your site all about? That's your description. What's your site all about? That is your description. Okay, I'm trying to find any other meta on this, but I guess no, there are not much metas here. Okay, there's one here, the viewport. We've done the one of viewport. Okay, there's another one called, okay, let me just go there. If I can't find it, let me go to another one called author. Now, author is to tell this machine that this person is the author. So let me just say that the author is, I'm just going to put something there. Let me just say the author is Instagram, which is not. But the author is just one thing. That means who designed this website, not necessarily who designed it, but who is this website for? That's the author. Who is this website for? That is the author. For instance, here, does this place have author? I'm not too sure now. Okay, I'm not too sure. It doesn't have it. Okay. Anyway, let me try this one. Does these people have it? No. I'm just trying to give you some basic metas that are very important. Remember what meta tags do. Meta tags define the metadata about an HTML element. So metadata are pieces of information you use to tell search engines. Can you remember that keyword? And those viewing your site. How do you tell people that are viewing your site that this is your site. You tell them by using the meta name author, that's to tell them that the author of the site is this person. You tell also using description, okay, viewing your site, more about your page and the information it contains. Metadata is used by browsers, search engines, and other web services. I always try to repeat myself so you can always master it. Metadata will impact your site's traffic, search engine optimization, and rankings. Okay, good. Okay, another meta is, let me try, another meta right here is meta, I think that's all. Meta name, keywords. Okay, that's basically description. That's basically it. But there's another one that I can use. Sometimes they call it, sorry about that. They call it HTTP. This one's okay. Look at this HTTP. I've told you about that one. XUA compatible. What that tells you is that HTTP equiv is just like going to the HTTP request and telling your browser that I want. So using this one right now, using this attribute value, you're telling your browser that I want you to always make my browser compatible content to IE, that's Internet Explorer or Edge and Chrome. Okay, so that's that. That's this HTTP equiv using this one. Which one did CNN use? Let me see. Meta for CNN. They also use the same meta content. IE equals Edge, Chrome equals 1, HTTP XUA compatible. Okay, good. Anyway, now you get it. So metadata is very vital when you talk about websites. It allows people to be able to find your website easily and much more better.